4 days after Prime Minister Modi claimed that there are no detention centres in India, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has accused the Prime Minister of lying. Now, India Today, on the other hand, has decided to fact-check the centre and the opposition's claims. India Today's Manogya Loiwal headed to a detention centre in Assam's Gwalpara, and here's what she found.
अब भी जो भ्रम में है, मैं उन्हें कहूंगा कि कांग्रेस और अर्बन नक्सलियों द्वारा उड़ाई गई डिटेंशन सेंटर की अफवाहें सरासर झूठ है.
Days after Prime Minister Modi claimed that there are no detention centres in India, a massive political war has now erupted. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi led the opposition's charge, dubbing the Prime Minister the RS's liar-in-chief. But when India Today travelled to Assam, we found one in Matia in Golpara district of the state. The detention centre, which is under construction, is being built at a cost of 46 crores. Once ready, it will be able to house 3,000 detainees.
The first detention centre of the country in Assam has already missed its first deadline. Even though it was scheduled to complete in December 2019, now it only seems 2020 that it would see its completion. But for now, the fact that this 15-storied building will be housing 3,000 foreign nationals and will be the first answer on what has been going on various political platforms.
The work on the project started in December last year and is slated to be completed by next year.
पहले एनक्लोजर वॉल हुआ है. एनक्लोजर वॉल के भीतर में एक सब एनक्लोजर हुआ है, वो फीमेल के लिए. उसके बाद इधर में स्कूल है, हॉस्पिटल्स है और 4 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग 15 होगा, 2 फीमेल के लिए और 13 मेल के लिए. वो अभी पीछे लेट्रिन है, बाथरूम है, वो पुलिस बैरक है और ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बिल्डिंग है.
Inside the detention centres, there will be a mass kitchen with dining and resting area, hospital and schools for children.
The next building is the kitchen as well as the dining hall. These are counters that are being made where people who will be staying here, those specially identified foreign nationals in the detention centres, will be allowed to collect their food from here and have it here instead.
The work, however, has been delayed due to rains.
बारिश के मतलब अभी 1 साल से काम हो रहा है यहाँ. 1 साल से काम हो रहा है, लेकिन 2 महीने पूरा काम स्टॉप था. 2 महीने स्टॉप था, अभी पूरा चालू हो गया काम.
Currently, Assam has 6 detention centres being run from the district jail premises at Dibrugarh, Silchar, Tezpur, Jorhat, Kokrajhar and Golpara. The government of India in 2009 initiated the process and almost 6 jails were then turned into detention centres. These inmates are those who have been lodged in these jails under the detention centre under the 1946 Foreigners Act. Those who have been identified as being not Indians or haven't been able to prove their identity in either ways. This also comes with a lot of guidelines of providing basic humanitarian amenities to those who are lodged in and who haven't been able to prove their nationality. Those released from these detention camps have a traumatic story to tell.
যেখানে আমাকে নিয়ে গিয়েছিল নরক খাওয়ান, নরকের মতন মারে, লোক বলে ভাবে না, হ্যাঁ, মানুষ বলে ভাবে না. ওইখানে কি লোক থাকে. 3 বছর 6 মাস ওইখানে থাকছি, মাথা পাগল মতন থাকছে.
Interestingly, the decision to open detention centres within the district jails was taken when P. Chidambaram was the Home Minister and Tarun Gogoi was the Chief Minister of Assam. The detention centres were built under the guidelines of the Supreme Court to give basic amenities to people identified as foreigners on Indian soil. With Manogya Loiwal in Golpara, Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.